Good morning, guys. So we are in our new apartment. Yeah. Last night was the first night that we slept here. But I did record apartment tour, like an empty apartment tour, and we're slowly getting things here and all of that. So yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tour, and if you guys have any if you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below. And also, if you guys have any other video suggestions, what are you doing? Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, love you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Say bye.
Bye.
Nathan, say bye. Hi. Say bye. He was doing it with his hand. Hey guys, so this is our new apartment. This is the living room slash dining room. Right here, some lights. We already have some stuff here, so it's not fully an empty apartment tour. But yeah, so obviously we have Jonathan's stuff already. So this is the dining table. We don't even have any dining table, but the dining area, living room. So I'm thinking of putting the couch right there. TV right here on this wall. We have a window. Maybe a dining table right there. So yeah, and right here on this door is our bedroom, the first bedroom. So here it is. So maybe my bed, we still have to bring like my bed and all the other stuff. So I'm thinking of being right there in the front of the window. If not, it'll be on the wall facing this way. Jonathan has an air mattress right now. So yeah, and here's the closet. Sliding doors, so it's not bad. So it's that. We have an empty space right here in the wall. I'll probably put a mirror, my mirror there. And right here, it's the bathroom. It's a really nice long bathroom. So right here is like the medicine mirror, I guess. Toilet. Another mirror right here. There's Papa. Say hi. And a shower. Sucky thing is there's no bathtub, so for me to shower, bathe Bevin, but we'll make it work. So let me turn off the light. Coming out, it's the kitchen. So here's the fridge. We have like a lot of drawers. The bottom area, stove, and more drawers right here. The top, microwave. Here's another storage like right next to the kitchen. It's like for this. Oh, Bebe wanted to get down. Like for like the brooms and all extra storage stuff. So that's that. And then over here is the second bedroom. So here's the second bedroom. So there's a door right here, so it's like the only thing that we need to keep safe, but there's like a little gate part right there. The closet. So in the meantime, this might be just my my filming room. And so Nathan. Babe. Huh? So yeah, this is the apartment tour for now. It's not bad, like to start off. If you guys want to see like the furnish part, let me know in the comments below, and I'll make sure to do one as well.